Hi friends, it took me a while to solve this problem. I started by taking cube root of x as t. That means x raised to the power 1 by 3 equal to t. Take cube both aside. In this case multiplied by t and here t cube. This will become x equal to t cube. X is t cube raised to the power of cube root of x, which is equal to t, equal to 10 raised to the power 30. This t cube raised to the power t is in the form of a raised to the power mn, can also be written as a raised to the power n m. That means 3 and t can be interchanged. So write it as t raised to the power t cube is equal to 10 raised to the power 30. Now take cube root both aside. That means simply multiplying the power by 1 by 3 and here also by 1 by 3. This will become t raised to the power 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out. And here 10 raised to the power 30 divided by 3, that means 10. If you compare base and exponents, they are both same. That means your t is equal to 10. Now it's easier to find the value of x because t is cube root of x. So simply take cube both the side, which means x is equal to 10 cube or 1000. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.